If your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you most certainly are an excellent leader. Good morning to one and all present here. I take this opportunity to welcome all of you on this bright morning to this special occasion of the investiture ceremony of Ramjas School RK for the year 2020-21. Investiture is one of the most events in the school calendar, for it means recognizing and honoring the leadership qualities in our students. For it has rightly been said, leaders are not born, they are made. Year after year, the investiture ceremony reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly elected Council of Students. Donning the mantle of responsibility, the members of the core committee and the four houses take a pledge to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities, abiding by the rules and regulations of the school. As is customary, we begin the ceremony with the shloka recitation by Katyani Bavari.
Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhanasamprada. Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhanasamprada. Shatrubuddhi vinashaya deepajyotir namostute. Deepo jyotir namostute. Deepo jyotir param brahma. Deepo jyotir janardhana. Deepo hai tumhi papam. Pratah deepo namostute. Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhanasamprada. Arogyam dhanasamprada. Arogyam dhanasamprada.
Thank you, Katyani. May I now request Suman Khanna ma'am to please address the gathering.
Thank you, Akshika. Although we all are quite far from each other, still I can feel the excitement and electrifying atmosphere. The reason, this year, the very special virtual online investiture ceremony of Ramjas School RK for the session 2020-21. Once again, a very warm welcome to all. Investiture means investing the responsibilities in a person. And today we are formally investing some of our responsibilities, little authority, our confidence, our prayers in the newly appointed Student Council members. Dear all, these council members are identified and selected through a systematic process in which they have to go through a series of steps to get finally selected for the much coveted Student Council body. The process may sound like a lot, but it is really the easier path. The real challenge is to shoulder with a strong sense of pride the responsibilities that are entrusted with them. This solemn ceremony, the new prefect body of leaders swearing in, is a significant event of our school and a defining moment in a student's life. By assuming various positions, these young leaders will learn life skills of self-discipline, decision-making, problem-solving, critical thinking, care for others, and become empowered, responsible, and valuable citizens of the society. Here, I would like to share a small story with you, of course inspired by Madam Principal. I'm sure all of you have heard of Chanakya, Acharya Chanakya, who was a philosopher, economist, royal advisor, teacher, and a kingmaker. He was the mentor of the Emperor Chandragupta Maurya. Once frozen morning, it so happened, one frozen morning, some poor people gathered in front of royal palace in Patliputra, it's now Patna, and shared their grief with the Emperor Chandragupta Maurya that it's freezing cold, it's terrible cold, and they are finding it hard to sustain. They requested the Emperor if he could arrange for some woolen blankets for them. The Emperor Chandragupta Maurya was moved by their predicament. His trusted mentor Chanakya was given the task of buying and supervising the distribution of woolen blankets. Orders were given, and 20,000 brand new and warm blankets were delivered to Chanakya's house because he was supposed to get it distributed and he was supposed to get it supervised and distributed. So 20,000 brand new blankets, warm blankets, were delivered to Chanakya's house, which were to be distributed the next morning. Now, the news reached a notorious thief in Magadha. He, along with his companions, entered Chanakya's house in the dark night when everyone was fast asleep. The thief smiled. He wonders. He tells his companions, what a fool he is. There are 20,000 brand new blankets lying in his custody, and still this foolish person, Chanakya, still in his old blankets? How foolish. That's because they belong to the people of Magadha. I am only the caretaker for a night. Yes, audience, it was Chanakya himself who could hear a little commotion, woke up suddenly, listens to the thief, and he replies to the thief with a warm smile. What does he say? He says, that's because these blankets belong to the people of Magadha, and I am only the caretaker for a night. Fear and shame ran through the thief's heart, and he fell on Chanakya's feet, profusely apologized, and Chanakya forgave him. Dear audience, such was the level of honesty, commitment, and responsibility, and on the top of that, no misuse of authority at all. So much to learn, so much to emulate. Student Council, you are the face of the school. Not to ever forget that with authority, with position comes lot of responsibility too. And we at Ramjas are sure that you will perform your duties, responsibilities with utmost sincerity, with humane touch, with due diligence and commitment. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm sure your words will go a long way in inspiring among our students a sense of honesty and integrity. Thank you so much, ma'am. We now have among us our outgoing head girl, Ritika Gautam, to share her experiences as the head girl for the year 2019-2020. Ritika.
Good morning, Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, dear parents, and the Student Council. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to our teachers for inviting me in this investiture ceremony. I am really honored to be a part of this. I have learned that firmness, fondness, liveliness, and evenness are the common qualities that are possessed by the members of a student council. Self-confidence and self-discipline are the main qualities required for determining the way for taking up responsibilities and duties. Moreover, I want to thank Vatsalya, our former head boy, although he couldn't make it here. But he has always been the voice of our student council and the one to always back us up as well as maintain the smooth functioning of our council. Now, the time has come to pass down the light further on the path of Shraddha, Gyan and Karma. So, service with pride, lead with confidence, and inspire to impact lives. I wish the new council good luck and everyone to stay safe and healthy in this ongoing pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritika. Unfortunately, our outgoing head boy, Vatsalya Pandey, could not join us, but he has been gracious enough to share his message through this video.
A very warm good morning to one and all present over here, respected principal ma'am, teachers and fellow council members. Today is the last time, with full grief I'm saying this, today is the last time wherein I wear this badge. Not only this badge, this time capsule for the last time. On behalf of the entire ex-student council, I, your ex-head boy Vatsalya Pandey, would like to thank each and every one of you for the support and encouragement throughout the year. I would be wrong if I say that we were the perfect team, but then I had a ringside view of what went into the making of meetings, contests, discipline sessions at the club. And hats off to the people who worked tirelessly to ensure that the experience of members and students was positive. Ritika, our head girl, or now the ex-head girl, let me admit that her role was always challenging, as one slip on her and then other side it would be a new one to show up. Kudos to her for maintaining her smile even under tremendous stress and helping me out, in every situation. Every duty was handled perfectly. Every event was a cakewalk with the council. Especially with the prefects that we had, they were just tremendous hard workers. And as the clock ticks, change is inevitable, change is constant, and thus comes the time to pass the torch of responsibilities and duties to the upcoming heads Aditya and Khushi. I hope they will stand up to our expectations in keeping the team and the council as steady as a rock, but also firm sometimes as a demon are. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritika and Vatsalya. We at Ramjas are sure that as you walk out of the portals of this school, you would leave behind for your successors a strong sense of pride and commitment towards the new office that they are about to uphold. Thank you so much to both of you. Let's move on now. In the present times, when all of us are readily adapting to so many changes happening around us, this year, we at Ramjas School RK Puram have brought our investiture ceremony home to our esteemed patrons, the grandparents and the parents. Unlike previous years where the teachers used to pin the labels of the students, this year we have our patrons doing the honors by putting the sash around the elected students. May we now begin with the sash ceremony. Starting with the sash ceremony, we have the members of the core committee. The core committee includes our head girl, Khushi Dikshit, our head boy, Aditya Vahi. They are followed by the deputy head girls, Suhani Mohan and Shreya Rai. Coming up next are the deputy head boys, Lavanyu Yadav and Archit Pant. The girls sports captains for the year is Tanisha Patwal, followed by Prerak, who takes charge as the boys sports captain for the year. The deputy girls sports captains are Ashita Kashyap and Isha Tokas, while the deputy sports captains boys are Shaurya Rawat and Vijay Narayan. The cultural secretary girl for the year is Sabha Khan, while the boy cultural secretary for the year 2020-21 is Amog Nayak. The Deputy Cultural Secretaries for the year are Rachna Ranjit, Suhani Saxena, Sharanya Shankar and Anirudh Vinayak. We now have our...
Wait.
Sorry. Coming up next, we have the representatives for the 4 houses, the Jupiter house, Mercury house, Neptune and Venus. First up, we have the girl house captains. They are Rupali Negi for Jupiter house, Alright, let's start please. The girl house captains are Rupali Negi for Jupiter house, Nandini Khandelwal for Mercury house, Trisha Khatri, Neptune house and Bhavya Garg for Venus house. Congratulations to all the girls. The boys sports house captains are Kshitij Kumar for Jupiter house, Chirag Pokhriyal for Mercury house, Kshitij Negi for Neptune house and Mukund for the Venus house. Congratulations, boys. The deputy house captains girls are Vidhi Sainath representing the Jupiter house, Arohi Bhatt represents the Mercury house, Shagun Khanduri represents the Neptune house, while Kashish Pantri represents the Venus house. The deputy house captains boys are Janmajay Saraswat for Jupiter house, Abhijit Sharma for Mercury house, Vedant Rawat for Neptune house and Tushar Singh for Venus house. The girls sports captains representing the 4 houses are Tanisha Mahato for Jupiter house, Shreya Parashar for Mercury house, Garima for the Neptune house and Arya Singh for Venus house. The sports captain boys for the 4 houses are Parth Parashar for Jupiter house, Lakshay Sharma, Mercury house, Aditya Raji, Neptune house and Sushant Singh for Venus house. The deputy sports captains girls for the year are Divyanshi for the Jupiter house, Rashi Fogart for Mercury house, Anushka Bhattacharya for the Neptune house and Kritika Mahajan for Venus house. The deputy sports captains boys are Siddhant Vashisht for Jupiter house, Arush Kashyap, Mercury house, Uday Suri, Neptune house and Gaurav Ratra for the Venus house. Congratulations to all of you. The 4 cultural secretaries for the year are Kanishka Agarwal for the Jupiter house, Mansha Gaur for the Mercury house, Khushi Gupta for Neptune house and Ojaswi for the Venus house. Congratulations, girls. The deputy cultural secretaries are Manaswi for Jupiter house, Garishma for Mercury house, Ananya Kapoor for Neptune house and Maliha Hassan for Venus house. Up next, we have our school prefects. First, we have the prefects from class 9. From class 9A, we have Jasleen Kaur, Jyotika M, Mithali Sachdev, Shrishti Karan and Yatin Sachdeva. Congratulations, children. Coming up to 9B, we have Aryan Kohli, Daksh Dagar, Ishtasha, Navya Prajapati, Ridhima Bisht and Shubham Sati. Congratulations to all the prefects. Moving on to class 9C, we have Ayanshi Solanki, Arnav Sagar Negi, Kavya Joshi, M. Dikshita, Saksham Kumar Chaurasia and Sakshi. Congratulations, students. We now move on to class 10A. The prefects from the class are Dhairya Singhal, Gargi, Siddhant, Samarth and Abhinav Danda. From class 10B, we have Abhishikta, Bhumika, Ketyani, Khushi, Srishti and Arman Singh. Class 10C, the prefects from here are Ishita, Kartike, Priyansh, Shaurya and Yajat. Thank you dear patrons for doing the honors.
हाँ नहीं चल रहा है, उसमें कपड़ा हो गया होगा.
Congratulations and all the best to all the students. May I now request Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Prachna Pant, to please lead the student council, the core committee members in the oath-taking ceremony. I also request the students of the core committee to please stand up and raise their right hands to the shoulder level for the oath-taking as they repeat the pledge after Principal Ma'am.
We, the newly elected student council of
The newly elected student council
of Ramjas School RK Puram
of Ramjas
do solemnly pledge to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our institution and to be honest and true to the core values that it stands for. We promise to carry out the duties and responsibilities entrusted to us with courage and conviction and above all uphold the integrity of our alma mater
This is pure communism.
at all times.
I do not support communism.
We hereby affirm
that we will always honor the faith and trust reposed in us and work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige and glory of our school in tandem with the management, staff and students. We pledge. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce to all of you our new head girl, Khushi Dikshit, and the newly elected head boy, Aditya Wahi. May I request Khushi and Aditya to please take charge of their new portfolio and lead the members of all the 4 houses in taking the pledge. I also request the members of all the 4 houses to please stand up and raise out their right hands to their shoulder level and follow Khushi and Aditya in taking the oath.
I
Vedi Saina.
solemnly swear to do my very best in
My very best in
performing the duties
performing the duties
of the
of
Ramjas School Student Council
School Student Council.
I will proudly
I will
and
proudly, unbiasedly
lead my peers and address their concerns.
their concerns.
I will constantly endeavor
Constantly endeavor
to put in
to put
my
in
best efforts
best efforts
to achieve academic excellence.
academic excellence,
Improve social skills
social skills,
and develop exemplary work habits.
exemplary work habits.
I will attend all council meetings
council meetings
and lead by example.
lead by example.
I will seek
I will seek
active participation in
active participation in
all school activities
school activities
and bring honor
bring honor
and glory to it. I vow to do my best
glory to
Do my best
do my best
to maintain discipline
maintain discipline
among students
among students
and carry out all the duties entrusted to me.
entrusted to me.
I promise to uphold the image
Hold the image
of the council
of the council
at all times
at all times
and abide by its rules.
abide by its rules.
We pledge.
Pledge.
Thank you, Khushi and Aditya. Looking forward to a year of discipline and sincerity under your able leadership. May I now call upon our newly elected deputies, the Deputy Head Girls, Suhani Mohan and Shreya Rai, accompanied by the Deputy Head Boys, Lavanyu Yadav and Archit Pant, as they administer the oath to the newly elected prefects from classes 9 and 10. I would also like to request all the prefects to please stand up and raise out their right hand to the shoulder level as they repeat after the deputies the oath.
I
Khushi,
promise that
promise that
I will respect and abide by rules
I will respect and abide by the rules
and regulations of school
and regulations of
school
in the true spirit
in the true spirit
for the glory and honor of my school.
for the glory and honor of school.
I will serve my fellow students
I will serve my fellow students
and school sincerely.
and school sincerely.
I also pledge to
I also pledge to
respect the teachers and management
respect teachers and management
and try my best to be
and try my best to be
disciplined throughout my academic career.
disciplined throughout my academic career.
I will endeavor
I will endeavor
to be a role model
be a role model
in all respects.
in all respects.
I will actively take part
I will actively take part
in school activities
in school activities
and bring glory
and bring glory
to this esteemed institute.
to this esteemed institute.
As a prefect,
As a prefect,
I will
I will
uphold loyalty
uphold loyalty
to the traditions
to the traditions
and ethos of the school.
and ethos of the school.
I vow to do
I vow to do
my best
my best
to maintain discipline
to maintain discipline
among students
among students
and carry out all the duties
and carry out all the duties
entrusted to me.
entrusted to me.
I pledge.
I pledge.
Thank you to all the four deputies.
My video was.
Hope that you will lead your prefects by personal example. A hearty congratulations to the entire student council and the elected representatives of all the four houses along with the prefects. Wishing you all the very best for the coming year. It is now time to call upon stage our newly elected head girl, Khushi Dikshit, and our newly elected head boy, Aditya Wahi, to address the gathering. Up first, we have Khushi to share her views.
A very good morning to Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, proud parents, and my dear friends. It is a privilege to be given the opportunity to serve our fellow Ramjasians, teachers, and school, and to lead the freshly appointed Student Council of the session 2020-21. I congratulate all council members and look forward to a cooperative journey ahead. The invaluable mentorship received over the past years from my teachers has enabled me with values of integrity, commitment, self-awareness, and gratitude. I express my heartfelt gratitude towards my teachers who shaped my ability to communicate and delegate with conviction, and altogether my learning agility as an individual. Donald McGannon once quoted that leadership is not a position or a title, it's action and example. Henceforth, I stand here as a leader, not just to lead you, but to inspire you all council members, inspire my team to reach higher, dream bigger, and achieve greater together. Together, we shall strive hard to achieve the best for our school and translate its vision of preparing future global citizens empowered to make independent choices responsibly and as sensitive human beings into reality. Thank you.
Thank you, Khushi. May I now call upon Aditya, the newly elected head boy, to say a few words.
A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Good morning to one and all present here. I feel very proud and privileged to have been elected as the head boy of the school. Being appointed as the head boy of is indeed a great achievement for me, and the fact has helped me to increase my confidence and determination. Down the years, whenever I would see my seniors being elected as the members of the school parliament, it would really derive a desire deep within my heart to see me one fine day standing at that desired position. In my endeavor to fulfilling my desire to be elected as the member of the school parliament, the school, especially my teachers, have allowed me to excel and thrive in an environment full of passion and determination. Their ideas and judgment have helped me in improving my qualities and abilities. As I would say, a good leader inspires people to have confidence in the leader, but a great leader inspires people to have confidence in themselves. The prime challenge of a leadership is all strong, bold, thoughtful, and humble at the same time. I have come to believe that the truth is the most valuable gift that you can share with other people. I realized that head boy wasn't a race about trying to be better than anyone else. Being the head boy is about the trust, having the trust of the school and its pupils, to represent them whenever called upon. I don't want my crown on my head. I want it in each and everyone's heart. Sharing my experience and leadership with fellow Ramjestians is one of my desires. My time at Ramjas marked me to reflect on what school has all about been. A school isn't a place just where the students come to. It is a secure environment that plays a role in molding our future. At last, I would like to say to all fellow Ramjestians, this school provides you with enormous opportunity. Grab them, because in future, you may only fret over losing them. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. The program will lack luster without our very own Nightingale, Katyani Bavari. Her soulful rendition will surely lift our spirits. Dear people, I present before you Katyani Bavari.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरी मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरी मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। महक जाऊं मैं आज तू ऐसे, फूल बगिया में महकी है जैसे, बादलों की मैं ओढ़ू चुनरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की, भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा, दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की, भोली सी आशा.
Thank you, Katyani, for bringing music to our ears. May I now request our respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Rachna Pant, to please address the gathering with her words of wisdom and grit, which would definitely serve as a guiding light and a takeaway for life for our students. Ma'am.
A very good afternoon to the newly elected Student Council, parents who are watching this ceremony, all the staff members and other students. Let me first begin by reading out something from the Constitution, the fundamental duties that have been enlisted in 51A section clause number H of the Constitution. And Student Council, you have to actually work on these. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. So what does it say? We generally forget this. It is saying that you have to develop a scientific temper. When we talk about scientific temper, it means, trying to critically analyze things, reason out things, logical thinking. That is what has to be developed. Then it talks about humanism. Unless you are a human being, a good human being, you will never be able to understand other human beings, and thus neither you will flourish nor others will flourish. If this happens, and if you are not a good human being from within, you will never be able to spread happiness and joy in others, and neither will you have this in your own life. So that is another thing. And this is the spirit of inquiry and reform. Try and find out things. The new education policy 2020 talks about the spirit of inquiry, inquiring nature, the desire to find out. And today, the wealth of knowledge that is there in this digital world, what we call the fourth industrial revolution or the coming fifth industrial revolution, the spirit of inquiry, finding out, is the most important thing which will lead you to your future career. If you do not have that, it is not going to help you, because if this inquiring nature is there, that will lead you to reform a lot of things. And if there is reform, there is always going to be progress. So that is one thing that I wanted to talk to you about. Just a few things. I will only reiterate what Akshika ma'am has said, what Suman ma'am have said, and what my beautiful children, the head boy, head girl, the outgoing head boy, head girl, they all have talked about it. I'm extremely proud of each one of you. How eloquently each one of you has conveyed their thoughts and their, the inner feelings that are there. They have talked about leadership. The teachers, they talked about what a good leader is, what is desired of a good leader. And my children, you all spoke so beautifully, and that's the reason why I always say, कि मेरे बच्चे सबसे अच्छे हैं. No matter where you are, you would be the best always. Now, this student council is like a springboard for your leadership. You are going to hone the leadership qualities that are within you. How have the teachers decided that you should be given these posts? It is because they found a spark of leadership within you. And this is the time when you can use the little spark and try and chisel it, try and fine tune it. That is very important. Also remember that apart from technological knowledge, there is one thing which is very important, which has also been talked about as the fundamental sort of duty, and that is you have to be a good human being. Remember, qualifications don't get you a job. I have got this qualification, so because of qualification, this is the job I should get. It is human beings who give the job. And how good a human being it is, you are, that is going to fetch you job. Apart, even if you've got a job, it is how good a human being you are that you will keep on scaling the ladder from one rung of the ladder to the other rung of the ladder. So that is very, very important. Other thing, dear students, remember, you have already said you are going to be the role model and others are going to emulate you. So make sure that after you leave the portals of the school, after you are at that time, the others who come, they say they want to be like this particular head boy, head girl, or like these students. So that is what it is. So be an inspiring role model. The traditions of the school have to be upheld, and not just upheld, they have to be enhanced also. So keep on improving on the traditions of the school and follow it. Another thing that I would like to talk to you about, which is what the fifth revolution is also talking about, is empathy. Robots are there, but do the robots have that feeling that a human being can give? They are trying it out, but what I want, students, is empathy is the most important quality of a leader. So it is not sahanubhuti, as you say. It is not sympathy. Do not sympathize with the people, but empathize. Samanubhuti is what you have to do. So one is sahanubhuti, the other is samanbhuti. You have to be in the shoes of the other person in order to understand the other person. So you have to be a part of the problem. You have to see a problem, feel that problem, and then try and address the problem and solve that problem. That is the quality that a teacher should have. So aapko mehsoos karna hai. You have to feel that. And when you do this, do it with a sense of duty and responsibility. Another thing that you children have to develop is talent identification, talent nurturing, talent promotion. This should not be only for me and my friends. You have to see the best talents that are there, hone them, nurture them. That is the job of the student council. Teamwork. It's a sad state of affairs, but generally we say we Indians are very good in doing work sort of alone, but when we have to work in sort of collaboration, that is the time when we lose out. We do not want to share. That is the thing. So you are going to learn teamwork as a student council member. You will learn time management. These are the things, and these are the required things which will take you far ahead in life. Remember, they do not come out of a CBSE curriculum. So CBSE is not going to teach you all these things, but these are the things that you have to do. Another thing is that 5.0 of the sort of industrial revolution is talking about humanism. That is important. And again, some children have talked about creativity, the 4 C's that you have to remember. And that is creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. So these are the 4 attributes of a leader. And if you have these 4 skills, the 4 C's that is being talked about, you will definitely shine and do very well, not just as student council leaders, but very well in life, no matter which career, what life you take. So these are my blessings to you. All the best to all of you. God bless you, bache.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the words of wisdom and the warm blessings for the children. I'm sure that your words will help our students learn and imbibe in their character and their actions, not just the qualities of honesty and integrity, but, as you very rightly said, a deep sense of empathy so that they grow up to become sensitive, intelligent, and humane human beings. Thank you so much, ma'am. As we approach the end of the investiture ceremony, I would now like to call upon Ritu ma'am to please propose the vote of thanks. Ritu ma'am.
Thank you, Akshika. Very good afternoon to our beloved principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear students. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make today's online investiture ceremony happen. But before that, I'd like to congratulate the new student council appointees. Our head boy Aditya Vahi quoted John C. Maxwell, "A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way." Unquote. So students, remember now, you have a greater responsibility. Your every action is not only going to affect your life, but also going to affect other younger students. You are a role model for all other students in the school. A true leader has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of the others. He does not set out to be a leader, but becomes one by equality of his action and integrity of his intent. I am very much confident that all of you will keep your promises that you made today. Now I'd like to extend my sincere thanks to our principal ma'am, Mrs. Rachana Pant, who always encourages us for our all new endeavors. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers and technical staff without whose support this new way of investiture ceremony, that is online, would not have been possible. Last but not the least, I'd like to thank my students who prepared all the presentation within a day. In such a short time, you have done a wonderful job. Thank you wholeheartedly, and thank you once again to all of you present who are present here. So you have taken out your precious time to encourage our new young leaders. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would also like to thank our audience once again. May I now request all of you to please stand up for the national anthem. With this, we come to the end of the investiture ceremony for the year 2020-21. I would once again extend a very warm thank you to our dear principal ma'am, to all the parents and the grandparents, to the teachers and the students who joined us, spared time to join us here at the investiture ceremony. A warm thank you to all of you once again, and blessings for the new council. May you shine and rise to every occasion to prove that you are the best choice to represent Ramji School, RK Puram. All the best to all of you. Thank you.